Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Becexy official latest update. The pre-qualification is still live. We are going to look at what they have to say concerning the pre-qualification. Now they said this was made on July 10th and they said pre-qualification is still live. As always, we are dropping CEXY codes in our YouTube videos and sometimes even in other social platforms too. But before we dive in fully, if you're here to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share. So join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel for high value content. So right here they say make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any of them. Now the question people might have asked is, what if I have already qualified? If you have already qualified, they answered, if you have already qualified, made it through the qualification, congrats. But the journey does not stop here. That you have qualified for the pre-qualification, they are congratulating you and they said that the journey has not stopped. So they encourage you to stay active, watch videos, earn more from the CEX.io, CESP and CDSP in partner games. These are for those that have already qualified. This is what they encourage you to do. You need to do this. You also have to watch the video even though you have qualified for the airdrop. They are here for business, so you must watch the video and you must participate in the CSP and CDSP partner games. So make sure you earn more points from this platform so that you can have enough token. They said because when the drop happens, your activity will matter. So your activity in these two projects will determine your airdrop quality. So make sure you participate actively on this project. They say stay tuned. So if you go to this project now, so make sure that you are still active on this CEX.io power tab. Make sure you are active. They said I'm still in level 7. They said your activities will determine your airdrop. So if you want to be eligible for this airdrop, you must participate, convert your crypto balance and all of this. Before you be able to convert, you'll have enough power to be able to convert. Now if you click on this airdrop session where we have the pre-qualification, get started. So right here, let's click on the airdrop, my airdrop. You can now see that airdrop fulfillment 22.61%. We still have a long way to go in this project. We still have a long way to go in this project. We are just 22.61%. So we are just having the total participants 22,675 out of 1 million. So if they continue at this pace, that means even December, we are not yet sure of this airdrop. So I encourage them to hasten their process. We are tired. I personally am tired. I don't know about you. I'm tired. They should hasten their process. A lot of people has actually claimed the pre-qualification. They have gotten the CEXY code, but some people are still not qualified. So I encourage them to hasten up. The community is tired because I've come to realize it's not how lengthy the project is that will determine if the project will do well. Because if care is not taken, after taking all these whole months, years, we might still end up as this, as usual. Whatever thing that make them to slow their process, they should please hasten it. Oh, and speaking on behalf of the community, we are tired. Please do fast and distribute the airdrop so that we know the next plan. So I believe you have got value from this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.